movies. This is my outfit. Fit check. Okay, so hoodie is from the North Face. Leggings, Lululemon. Boom. Boom. Shoes. I'm gonna wear my on tiles. These are running shoes, but I wear this as leisure wear too. People literally wear these shoes to the airport and everything, so not too much. Lip gloss. Topicals. Get into it. Listen, I'm telling you, if you don't listen, go buy this lip gloss. Like, run and go buy it. I think this is like the best lip gloss I've ever had, personally. But that's just me though. Perfume. This is one of my perfume. Okay, y'all see, I'm always wearing this perfume. Ooh, zoom in. Come on now. Work. Oh, there it is. I'm always wearing this perfume. When in doubt, this is what I wear. I'm literally going to make it myself, so I really don't need to wear perfume. But you know, you never know who you might see there. You really only need like 3 squirts, but I'm just forcing it right now. But let me stop. Okay, that's my outfit for the movies. This only didn't know. Oh, hair. This is twist out. Get into it. Okay, bye. Morning. So I have a busy day today. Today is Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. So I have a lot to do. I have to go to Walmart. I gotta return this item that I brought from Walmart. Then I have to, where else do I have to go? I'm gonna go get some breakfast. I'm gonna work out. I gotta get my hair done. I gotta go grocery shopping. So today is a busy day, and you guys are gonna be coming with me. So come on. Okay, I got everything. So I just made it to Walmart. We at water. So I just made it at the salon. I'm currently in the waiting room. She said I had only 20 minutes, so good thing I brought my headphones. I should have brought my book to read, but we'll fall back. Hey, I can't wait to show y'all. And I low-key was rushing to get here. But I'll show y'all. My hair was undone. And I have a silk press. I've never been here before. So, but this is nice. Real nice. Oh Jesus, I just stepped in some chips. I'm actually pretty hungry. I should have brought some fruit. I should have brought some fruit. Sorry, y'all. I haven't even y'all haven't seen me since after I left the gym. Because basically I was running late to go to the when I went to a hair appointment. I was running late, but actually she didn't start exactly on time, so it was fine that I was running late. But when I was running late, I didn't have time to record. So now I'm on my way to the bar. So hungry, and when I eat on an empty stomach, that make my stomach hurt.
Yeah, I'll let you know more details.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at everybody. No, this is a good camera.
Say hey to the girl that's sick.
Hey vlog, I'm back with another one.
I'm back with another one.
It's blackout Wednesday, and he messed up. Say hey y'all. Say hey y'all to my camera.
Hey, camera. Blackout Wednesday.
Yeah. Taja Wednesday, y'all. It's a Taja Wednesday.
Mozzarella.
Provolone.
Mozzarella.
What kind you need?
So him and that. Why you pouring the shot so high? It's still at the rim. Oh. Like, there's plenty on the table.
You just said I poured half of it out.
That's
So that's just us dancing. And I think I had just almost fell. So we was having a time. Okay. Now we tired. Hey, can y'all open up the door? Hey, say hey to the camera. Hey. Hey.
Oh Lord, another little height. Oh wait, where my dog?
Right there.
Sweetie, don't talk to me. Cause I'll be texting you and everything. Yeah, she is. She didn't even want me on the vlog. Had me talking and wasn't even recording. Hey y'all! Happy Thanksgiving! But no, I like this because it turns with you and everything.
It's nice. What brand is yours?
DJI. But this is the smaller one though. This so.
Yeah, because I think that's the same thing. I think she just got the bigger one.
Yep.
Yeah, well, hers is actually fatter.
Yeah, but I just didn't want to spend $600 for a camera.
No, I agree.
Not right now. Not right now. Even
she got so much equipment to do her, YouTube. And
yeah.
Stuff. She got a YouTube channel. Did you know that?
I know she had a YouTube channel. So I got all this cheese, and I gotta get to work. So, for you guys don't know this, so basically I got two cameras in front of me. I'm on live, and then I'm also recording for my YouTube channel. So for my macaroni and cheese, I think I use like 5-6 cheeses. Like, yeah. Cause I like a cheesy macaroni and cheese. I like my stuff cheesy. Okay, I don't know why I just did that. That was kind of, I don't know why lately. I've been singing a lot. I'll probably put my whole, honestly, I'm gonna keep it a bean. This isn't my personal recipe. I actually got this recipe from someone else on the YouTube, but I will give her credit, and I'll make another YouTube video. Cause sometimes, like, low key, it's kind of good to like see other people cook the food, because that way you can know, like, bro, I remember one time, yeah, this old school. Not me put it all off. Bro, I look like, Jesus, I forgot how much work this is. And I'm about to shred every little piece of it. Watch me. Oh, Jesus. One time, the other day, I had called Jesus out and was like, she's like, what did you say? I'm like, girl, whenever I'm in distress, I call him. Because I ain't gonna lie. So I used to buy, oh, she left. So I used to buy, like, Daisy love cheese. She loved, oh. So I used to buy, what am I saying? I used to buy, Jesus. I used to buy shredded cheese, but someone on, I ain't gonna say who, but someone said, no, honey, you have to grate your cheese. But the problem is that when you grate, you're tired. You're tired. I low-key should put my hair in a ponytail, but I'm not going to. My hair is never like, first of all, I'm not cooking for that many people. I'm cooking for me and my sister. Second of all, I've never tasted hair in my food. My personal food. Yeah, I was gonna wash the greens, but I think my sister's gonna have to wash those greens because this is taking forever. And ever. Should I turn the oven on? And ever. Daisy girlfriend. Jesus. This is taking forever. But you know what though? It is a lot of cheese too, so. Hey! Hey, who's that? Oh, hey, how you doing? Oh, wait. I need. Oh my goodness. I forgot how hard this is. I mean, how much work this is. I haven't done this since. I don't even remember the last time I made some macaroni and cheese, to be honest. Since we're being honest, I do not recall the last time I made some macaroni and cheese. But I'm telling you, I don't remember it being this difficult. Like, should I just slice it up like this with the big one? How mad would they be? Oh, that's too big. That's too big. Bro.
Yeah, happy birthday. Not birthday.
Thanksgiving.
Oh, happy Thanksgiving. And many more for you. And, you know, everything gonna be all right. Just keep on trying.
Now you want some of my pie.
Oh, this is tight. You
Boy,
got the what you
Let
call
you
this
eat
thing
whatever,
again?
don't you?
It's called a
A gauntlet. A gauntlet. No,
Yeah.
this piece right here. up
Yeah,
top.
I forgot what it's. I know exactly what you.
Sure, Ezekiel got
She'll
one of
get on
these.
you, but she won't let you touch her.
No, for real.
Like, no. I do the touching around here.
No, for real. That's exactly how she is. Nurse Shan,
That's tight.
9263.
Nurse Shine, 9263.
Oh,
9243. It's recording you.
oh. Hey. Don't look at me though.
Recipe.
She got it.
Recipe.
Yeah, you got
I ain't helping
So I got one of these on there.
You
It's
can
a
use the other word on the side.
Come on, ignore her.
The
All
other
right,
word
so-
easier.
Okay, so it's a card. It's a
It's a car.
The
carb. It's like
Hard.
you use it in
Bread.
sandwiches.
Bread.
Protein.
You're close. It's a
Wheat
certain
bread.
type-
Grain.
Huh?
No.
Wait, it's a what? What's the clue?
Actually, what is that
It's
behind
a
you?
certain type of
On the
Keto.
left side?
no.
What is that?
It's yeah, I don't know how to describe this one.
What I sent you. Darn it.
I don't know how to describe
You
it.
can skip.
What is it?
You can skip.
No.
If
What
you
is-
skip, it's -1.
What is it?
Minus
Y'all only got one. It was rye.
Yeah, it was right.
Oh,
I'm
that's
gonna
Oh, you should have
Whiskey.
Why you eat on
Whiskey.
corned beef? Twitter, that show was like a centipede.
I was about to
I thought it was one of y'all house.
Where?
It was a piece of hair. Malik had picked it up. I was like, is that a centipede?
Y'all not scared of
move on.
bugs?
It's y'all too. You and Malik.
They not scared of bugs?
Malik. Depending on what.
So
kind
y'all
of
doing
bug it is.
teams?
You know,
After you.
Taboo was team. Go over there by your daddy. Here. You did good. I'm proud of you.
I just didn't know how to
I had
describe
hell
it.
with
Right,
gum
right.
What's
You
them
go.
gum beetles? That
I
wasn't
said you
gum
got
beetles.
some fucking.
Yeah. 'Cause you didn't
Rye
do
is
that thing.
rye is a wheat. So rye wheat. A lot of people refer to rye whiskey, rye bread.
If he would have said corned beef sandwich, I would have been
yeah.
like, up, Robert. But he don't know no.
Right.
But
You ready?
it's a type of wheat.
You ready?
You going first? Malik, you gotta,
No,
who
no, I
going
was
first?
on
You?
the word, so even if I couldn't.
Okay, you know the words you
Yeah,
can't
yeah,
say, right?
yeah,
What's supposed to be lunch?
You can't say none of the words that's not in the blue or orange. So you got blue side. So you can't say the words
What's
that's
that?
not listed on. You can't say none of those words on that card except for the word in blue. You want us to guess
found
that
out
word?
that.
That's probably up to
Okay.
Serena's.
She smoked
She
what?
don't smoke blacks.
Oh, she don't.
Yeah, that's a black and mild.
I thought it was-
That looks like a
Black
crispy
and mild
smack
is
black
It
mild.
was crispy on the ground.
Hey, hey.
Touched it. It was not empty. I'm like,
All right, we ready. We ready.
You better be careful
I seen
smoking
the
that.
cigar
Oh,
at the beauty
go.
supply store.
Huh?
They
Cereal.
had cigars at the
That
beauty
bitch
supply
look
store.
premium.
That was the word. Cereal. Okay,
Totally
now
just
keep
dropped
going.
this ain't.
You
I don't
smoked
think they
it?
do.
Hey, I know somebody.
You smoked it?
Nah,
Girl, you don't even
nah.
know if
He said somebody
Don't
just
smoke.
dropped it.
What?
Yeah, don't say
Dante,
nothing.
come on. What is it?
Dante.
You gotta have us guess the word. You can't be
Skip this
skipping.
one.
Skipping now.
No, just give us, just speak to us. What is it? What does it sound like? What is?
That's minus
What
one
is
now.
it?
Gordon Ramsay,
chef.
chef, Top Chef,
TV show.
cook,
Restaurant. Critic.
Salt Bay,
Salt.
No,
seasoning.
you can't do that.
Yeah, yo, you can.
No, you cannot.
So seasoning, Salt Bay, chef,
Culinary.
add spices, spices, spices.
What? I don't know.
Well, how close are we?
Oh.
Y'all are really close. You're so
Spice, cinnamon.
Recipe.
No,
You already did recipe.
Who did recipe?
Y'all did recipe.
Y'all
y'all get it.
Wait, what?
Y'all must have.
Okay.
Nah, y'all just messed up
First of all,
y'all just messed up